What's up, people that watch my channel? Today I'm going to be doing a video on a tutorial on actually how to... I'm going to start doing tutorials on how to build like your favorite characters from anything, like a movie or a game or a show or just anything really. And our first episode, my first episode since I made it, but our first episode since it's a show and I kind of have to say stuff like that, it's going to be a character named Kabal from Mortal Kombat. If you know who he is, good for you, you're cool, and you'll probably get this, and you'll probably judge this video more than anyone else in the comment section. So first, you want to start with his torso. This torso right here. This torso, it's like a scuba diver torso from like a Finding Atlantis thing. And the legs that go onto this torso are Loki's legs from the original Avengers Lego sets. Plop them together, plump. There you go. And then you get two peach arms. Blonk right there. And then blonk right there. Good. Now the hands, you can use gray gloves or black gloves. I use gray gloves. I don't know, just because I prefer it that way, and a lot of the costume is gray. But you can use black gloves, they work just as well. Now the head is going to be the head of Lucius Malfoy in the Harry Potter Lego sets. And you're going to put it on with the mask side facing, with the mask side on. But before you put it on, you want to put on this back piece. He's on War Machine, he's on all these different characters with something that they have to attach to their back. And you put it on. You just slip it on their neck, and then, boom, you put on the head. And there you go. Hairpiece. This hairpiece, it's brown. I know Aragorn has it. Some characters in Prince of Persia have it. Plop it on. Bing. And that's almost the basic character model complete. But you still forgot the back attachment, which is this thing. It's a flat piece with a little grabber on the back. And you want to put it right up vertically. And then you want to take any colored lightsaber. I use this lightsaber. It's kind of like a dark, very dark silvery. It's more black than silver really. But it's just very dark, and I know that. You just gotta plop it on, bing. You can also tilt it this way if you want it to be this way. And from the side, here, there. But I personally like it vertical. I don't know why. There's that, and then front. That's his basic character. But now we move on to the weapon. And my basic idea for the weapon looked a little something like, where is it? Oh yeah. It looked a little something like this. And as some of you may know, Kabal has hook swords. And I came up with this idea, so I'm going to show you how to do this. And then I'm going to show you how to do a design that is better, but I didn't build it for two because I couldn't find the right resources to do two. So yeah, here's this thing. How you build it. So you want to start out with a lightsaber handle, preferably black, because that's the color of the handle in most of the Mortal Kombat games. And then on the bottom of it, you're going to want to put this thing. It's like a little triangle piece in silver. Plop it on right there. And then on top of that, you're going to want to put this thing. It's like a tri-piece with a little ball in the center. Want to put it so then the slant height of the triangular prism is on the same side of the sword that the little notch is on. So just like this. And then on the top of the on top of this notch, you're gonna want to, oh, see, I moved it, there you go. You're gonna want to put a lightsaber handle. I put it as the same color as the tri-piece just because it fits better in my opinion. And then almost done, you gotta put this on here. The blades facing the everything that the other places are facing. I use this little kind of claw right here. You can use anything that kind of, I use this personally. I can't remember what kind of sets these were in, but I remember that I have them, so I use these. But if you know anything, then you know that Kabal has hand guards for these. So what I did for that was I had this thing right here, this little grabber thing. It's a grabber with a stem. And then I want to take a tube thing with the grabber at the end with two flat sides that is round. You know, stick the end or the stem of the grabber on the side into the little hole in the tube, and then that is your hand guard, and this is your hook blade for Kabal. And here you go. This is Kabal and his hook blade. But if you want to see the better design, you just gotta change this top piece right here. And instead of putting a lightsaber handle that has one little thing on the top, you gotta have one thing on the bottom, but then on the top it has two little holes in there. And if you have a Kylo Ren lightsaber that has like the same thing, but it like has a little third one on top, that doesn't matter, you just don't use the top. And then you take a mini fang, or the small version of a fang, preferably like silver or light gray or gray, anything like that that has to do with the color gray. And then this is, my opinion, the better version of the hook sword. Because then, instead of just like cutting through things really, then it can actually like grab onto something. Like this thing right here, like if you hooked onto this, then like it would grab it, but you can't like pull it through the other end or anything like that. You can't like actually grab it, you can just kind of pull it. But with this, it kind of like circulates around, I guess. It kind of goes out into the other end, so you can actually like hook it rather than just pull it. And so I think this is the better design, but as I said, I can't really do that for the design. And if you want to add anything, like any tubes somehow, or like any other accessories that would work as a respirator box for the back, because that's what this mask is. It's a respirator, since this guy's windpipe was slit and he was burned really badly, but I don't have any like Freddy Krueger things, and if I did, then I wouldn't have any arms for this, because then his sleeves are red and stuff. So yeah, this is Kabal from Mortal Kombat, and this is the best design I could do for him. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy. Comment down below which character I should do next from your favorite stuff. And yeah, bye.